The new spy shots of the F250 Ferrari replacement has revealed new Aero and a possible twin-turbo V6 engine. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we've waited for almost a decade for the team in Maranello to go against their better judgment and release a Ferrari replacement upon the world. And after all those years of dreaming up ideas on how it would look, how it would sound, what engine it would use, and how it would drive, the wait is almost over because we have some spy photos here from Auto Evolution, which capture new images of the LaFerrari successor codenamed F250 testing in Maranello. Now, unsurprisingly, the F250 is low and wide as a hypercar should be, and the test mules appear to wear the car's final design with sleek headlights contained within a front bumper that invokes the recent 12-cylindry. Now, a colossal set of carbon brake discs can be seen through the blue accented wheels, and the F250's doors look to open vertically, leaving space for the massive carbon sills and aero passages in the bodywork. Now, for as aggressive as the front of the future Ferrari looks, the back of the car takes things a step further. The carbon fiber sill at the rear transforms from a relaxed look while lowered to a raised position that signals the F250 is ready to attack. Now, a rear bumper, well, that looks like to be 50% diffuser, sits below the wing with a single oval shaped exhaust. Now, speaking of the exhaust, while Ferrari hasn't confirmed anything, rumors suggest that the F250 will use a modified version of the automaker's twin-turbo 3-liter V6. It's the same engine as the Ferrari 296 GTB. Fittingly, for a company whose history is tied to racing, a version of that V6 also powers the Le Mans winning 499p hypercar. Now, while the race car is limited by regulations, the 296 GTB generates a combined 819 horsepower with assistance from a plug-in hybrid system. We'll have to wait to know for sure, but I think that the F250 will push power figures obviously into the 4-digit range. Although there are no visible charging ports on this prototype, the plug-in hybrid appears to be the only viable solution for such a high output application. But with that said, what do you guys think about the new shots of the F250, the LaFerrari replacement, and is it going to have a V6 engine with 1,000 ponies? Drop those comments down below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, but make sure you guys also subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, we will see you guys in the next one.